Come. Who is our prefect here, the monitor here? Because when we raise hand, if you want to ask any question, you raise hand, even me. That person should be watching my hand. If I raise hand and you don't call me, I will shout to, I will talk. Who is our pet? Who is our cost rep? Cost rep. Somebody should be our cost rep, so that when I raise my hand up or anybody raises hand up, you will now inform Chidozie. I don't want them.
Hello, Val.
Yeah.
I'll do that for now, but after about 30 minutes, I will assign someone else to do it.
It's okay, so that you can follow up.
Yes, sir.
Please, if you have any question, you raise your hand. Even
I
me.
understand, because even somebody recording himself, the person doing recording, it's not easy for the person to follow up the classes like that. Because at times you need to be checking out for distractions and to remove them. At times when somebody will just call mama, you have to go and pause the video, So at times somebody will be asking some kind of question or they'll be making noise. You have to pause the video. There's some things that can distract you while recording, so it might not be able to.
You people, please. Sorry, somebody entered now. Irene Uneka. Irene. 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 Irene Uneka. Irene. Let her answer me now. Irene. Irene Uneka. She doesn't want to talk. When I was small, let me tell you one story before we start. Chido, sorry for wasting your time.
No problem.
When I was in, I think in primary one, I saw Irene. IRE.
Yes, I can hear you. It's Irene.
No, it's Irene. In my primary one, I was thinking it's Irene. It's okay. Let's start.
Your own is better. Your own is better. My own is, even at this old age, until some few years ago, it was the owner of, like, the person herself that had to correct me.
You can imagine. Irene. Hi. One house. Does it start? Don't mind me. Does it start?
No problem. Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. So I'm going to be taking us on some of the lead generation tools that I've been able to go through. So we're going to be doing Yelp Scraper. We'll do instant web scraper and instant data scraper and then web scraper. And there is something else I will still talk about, but let's start with this ones first. So there's a website called Yelp.com. It's like, I don't know if many of us know Yellow Pages. Yellow Pages is where you have some companies list, even individuals list their details there. Companies list their details there.
Yes.
In a country like US, those days we have this. The Yellow Page is one big book like that you can. It's a directory of businesses, individual numbers, yes, and a lot of other things. So the Yellow Page was digitized. And instead of that book, where they have to be, after some years, they will have to reprint the book and all that. So they had to put it in a website where it can easily be updated. So you can go here on Yellow Page and search a lot of things. Let's say you want to get a data about probably some maybe restaurants in a particular state in US or anywhere. You can go here to Yellow Pages. So Yelp is similar to that Yellow Pages. So there is a lead generation tool called Yelp Scraper, which you can use to get these information. Let's say you want to get information of businesses, let's say restaurants in Texas. You can search for them, but it's going to take you a lot of time to start writing each and every one of them, write their email, write their phone number, and all that. So you simply just use Yelp Scraper to get these informations. But before you do that, you have to install it in your Chrome. You can only use it in Chrome as an extension. So you have to put it as an extension. So I'm going to start with how we can put it as an extension on Chrome. So you just go to your Google and you type Yelp Scraper, and it's going to open the result for you. On that result, you look for the one that has a Chrome logo on it, because there will be a lot of results. So you just, this particular one that has Chrome logo on it is the one you are looking for. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to a page
Chico,
where...
you are not sharing your screen. You are not sharing your screen.
Oh, really?
Your screen, oh.
Away, okay.
Chico, you are not sharing screen.
Can you hear me, ma?
Chico,
Can you hear me now?
you were not sharing screen before. Share your screen.
Okay. Can you see the screen now?
I hope you are sharing the entire screen.
Yes.
We are not seeing your screen.
Okay, let me do that again. Let me reshare it again.
Yes, please. Let me start the recording afresh.
Okay.
I've been recording nothing. Yeah.
Okay. So I don't know if my screen is visible now.
And Chico, so what's happening to your voice, please?
Be like the network don't join NLCO. Okay, can you
Yeah, it's not high enough.
Can you hear me now?
Your voice is not loud enough.
Can you hear me now?
No, it's fainting.
Oh wow.
Your voice is fainting.
Okay, is it better now?
Yes.
It's better now, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then my screen is the screen showing?
No, I think there's a problem. When you ask, is it better now? You come with a good voice. Then when you start teaching, your voice changes back. It drops.
Okay. Okay, just a minute.
Well, you've stopped recording, Abby.
Yes, I stopped all that. I'm starting.
Level one bios. Level.
Everything now.
Level 1 to
Label.
something. Yes, so even internet.
Even this my network na labor cause am.
So they want cripple Nigeria, God forbid.
Okay, so is my screen visible now?
No. No. Yes.
Okay, it's visible now, right?
I can see. Yes.
Okay. Sorry about that.
I can't see it though.
Oh.
Share now. Okay, better.
Okay.
Better.
So we can see the Yelp Scraper page right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
No voice, oh.
Hold on. Please, Chidoze, please, one favor, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Chidoze, one favor, please.
Yeah.
Remove from Chrome. Start it from the beginning. Let everybody understand. Remove it. Yes, please. Let everyone understand.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. I don't know. This my voice that I complained. Is this still faint? Or is audible enough now?
It's fair enough, but if you can tweak it, let it come up a bit. It's fair.
It's okay.
Enough. Well, what do you think?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It keeps fainting, and that's what we need. We need your voice, so that the recording, when somebody's watching it, it becomes better.
Okay. I'm actually running a record also, so I believe, I don't know. Maybe.
So I should stop.
You can do that. I'm also running mine here. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. And I don't know. It's showing that the voice is okay. Maybe it's a network.
No, it means
thing.
your recording will be clearer than mine.
Okay. No
okay.
problem.
Okay,
Maybe I will
stop
use
since
mine.
you need it. It's okay.
Yeah. Let me stop. I'm stopping. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
All right. So, like I was saying, you need to first of all attach the Yelp Scraper on your Chrome, your Google Chrome. So you go to your Google search and type Yelp Scraper. It's going to come up with a lot of, as usual, a lot of results. So all you need to do is this one that has the Chrome logo on it is what we are looking for. This one that has the Chrome logo. So you just click on it, Yelp Scraper Chrome Web Store. And then once it's done loading, it's going to show you this button here, attach, add to Chrome. So you are going to click on this and add the extension to Chrome. So once it's done, it's going to show you that it has attached to your Chrome. Okay, so Yelp Scraper has been added to Chrome. Now, most times when you add it, like you are not going to see where it is here on your screen. So what you need to do, this extension button here, you are going to click on it and then look for Yelp Scraper and pin it. Once you pin it, then it's going to appear here. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing, right?
Right.
Okay. So once it appears here, now you can use it. Now, you go to yelp.com. That's where we are going to use this tool now. So go to yelp.com. I already opened the page. Now, let's assume we want to search for, let's say, accountants in US, maybe San Francisco, US. So I'll type accountants in the search box. Once you open the homepage, this is what it's going to appear like. So you type accountants and you change your location. If this is not the location you are looking for, you simply change it. So this is what I'm looking for. Let's say we are using San Francisco, California, United States. So you just click on search. So once you click on search, it's going to bring out all the results of the accountants in San Francisco, California. So these are all the lists. We will have their emails, we have their phone numbers. But the major thing now is that you cannot start copying this thing one after the other. You know, so you have to look for a way to generate it, and that is why we have Yelp Scraper. But there is a step I missed. If you do this way, you might not be able to scrape this data. So what you need to do, sorry, I forgot to add that. You need to open this Yelp Scraper first, and then open the Yelp website from the Yelp Scraper itself. So click on this Open Yelp. Let me close this one I opened earlier. Now, if you notice, there is a difference between this page and that one I showed you earlier. This one has Start Auto Extract, Export Results, and Clear. But that one I opened on its own didn't have these buttons. So once you open this Yelp Scraper and click on Open Yelp, it opens the Yelp page itself. Then you can, from here, you can now search for what you are looking for. So let's do the accountants we did earlier and search and see the result that will come out. Yeah.
So that means that for us to be able to scrape, you have to open it through the Yelp Scraper.
Yes, you have to open the Yelp, not the other way. If you open it on its own, it's not going to show you these buttons. This Start Auto Extract.
Okay, the three buttons is on top of.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So now we have the results we are looking for. We have the results we are looking for. Yeah.
Sorry, can I talk? Please, our course rep, you are not doing your job. I raised my hand up. You did not even talk to me. It's like this, our raising hand up is not working.
No, so sorry, man.
Please go watch it so that I won't be there more interrupting Chidozie. I was raising hand so that you would tell him, then I talk.
Okay.
You understand? Chidozie, thank you. Chidozie, can I throw small lights?
Okay, man.
All right. You are doing well, oh. But just, in our platform, we want everybody to understand. You are doing well.
I understand.
You are getting well. This web, please, one house. This Yelp Scraper, like what Chigozie was trying to tell you guys. When you want to, you can, if you want to generate lists, kind of using Zillow now. If you open your Zillow, you also pin your Zillow Scraper that will enable you to scrape. The same thing is applicable here in our Yelp Scraper. You understand? You open your Yelp. Are you guys hearing me?
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, like what Chidozie did, he opened Yelp and also opened Yelp Scraper. But why you might not even need to open Yelp itself is because inside Yelp Scraper will have open Yelp. Do you understand? So you can only use Yelp. You can only open Yelp if you want to use like instant data scraper, which is okay. But so long as you are using Yelp scraper, you don't need to go to Yelp. Because inside it, the moment you click on Yelp scraper, you will see open Yelp. So what is the essence of going to Yelp to do it? Do you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fine.
All right. Jose, right on. You are doing well. Oh,
Sorry,
right
Jose.
on.
Thank you, ma'am.
Blessing's hand is also up. Blessing. Sorry, Jose.
Okay, all right, blessing.
I'm trying to see the open Yelp. I can't find it on the Yelp Scraper.
Do you have your Yelp like this on your Chrome?
I can't see your screen. See the screen, no.
Can you?
Jose's screen is disappearing. What's the problem?
It should be network. Oh.
I can still see his screen.
I can still see his screen.
You can see now.
Can see his screen.
It's just screen.
The screen
The
is
person
visible.
asking question. Gose asked me something. Answer.
Can you
I'm
see?
seeing Yelp. The one that has the symbol is Y, Yelp Scraper, not this one.
Yeah, you did not open from that Chrome. You didn't see what Dozie was showing you. You didn't open the right one. Maybe your Y is just like ordinary Y, not this type of Y Dozie pin here. Is it not true?
Yes, it's not this time.
Yes, it's just like ordinary Y, yeah? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it's not that. Dozie, please help her.
Okay.
She did not open the one that has Chrome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so the step you missed was that when you search Yelp Scraper on Google search, it will show you a lot of Yelp Scraper. There is this particular one that has Chrome logo, and you will see it there. We will write Chrome Web Store, Yelp Scraper, Chrome Web Store. That's the one you are looking for. And so I've used it before. That's why I'm seeing it on top of here. The first time I searched it, it was not the first thing that appeared. I think it was the third. So if you are looking for it, you have to click this one that has this Chrome logo. So maybe you have to do a search again and find this one that has Chrome logo on it. I don't know if you have seen it.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the one you install as an extension on your Chrome. So are you with us now?
Yes, I'm with you.
All right. So when you are done installing, then you open it on any. You can open it on any page and then click Open Yelp. It will open a new tab and open Yelp for you, where you can now search and get to where we are right now.
Okay.
All right.
Yes, I see my own.
Okay. So now, once you get to this place, you are going to click on this Start Auto Extract. Hello, can we still hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. So once you get to this place, you are going to click on this Start Auto Extract, and it's going to be going through the pages, because this particular scraper is meant for Yelp. So there are no plenty tweaks that you need to do. Like if you want to use another scraper on this page, like Instant Data Scraper or Web Scraper, you have to do a lot of tweaks for it to be able to generate what you need from this. So if you take a look at this place, you see that this result is increasing. It was 10, now it's 40. It will go from 10 to 20 to 30 to 40, which means it's going, because every single Yelp search has 10 results. Every page has 10 results. So once it's done with the first result, it goes to the next page. I'm going to stop this so that we won't have too much data. Sometimes it obstructs the whole thing. So now, once it's done with the first page, it goes over to the next page and starts extracting the data on the next page. Once it's done with that, it goes over to the next. So if I leave this thing now, it will continue going until it exhausts this number of pages we have here. So let me see. We have up to 10 pages, and I think it's even more because there is still an arrow here. So it's going to go from page 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 until it gets to the last page before it stops. And don't forget, just like Mrs. Okibo will always say, as it is going, so your data is going. So you should always know when you have the number of results you need. If you want to get more than maybe 100, it's fine. But the moment you click on it, it keeps going from one page to the other, getting the informations. And once you are done with maybe what you want is 60 and it has gotten to 60, you can click on stop auto extract. And now you click on this export result here to get your results in an Excel format, because that's the major thing we are looking for. Now, this is the data we've been able to extract so far. These are the names, the phone numbers, the address, the emails, and the service area, which is where San Francisco that we put. Some of them might not have emails, so you will see blank ones here. Those ones that you can't find their number, you will see blank numbers here. So now, this is not the format we are looking for. We are looking to get these details on Excel spreadsheets. So once you have opened this page, the next thing you need to do is to download CSV. So you click on this download CSV. It's going to download. Okay, I think I need to sign in with my Google before I can do that. So once you click on that, it's going to export those information.
Please, when did you click?
Okay, hold on. Let me go back so you see. Now, this is the page where we are, right? Where you have the informations we extracted. If you look on top of here, you will see download CSV.
Okay.
Have you seen it?
Okay.
So once you click on this download CSV, it's going to, I'm not logged in, so let me log in and then I will be able to download that. They don't have their LinkedIn email, their LinkedIn account, their Facebook on that website. So we even have some that have their YouTube account here. You see? So this is the source. So what you need to do is, it's not all this information you need. So when you are working with a company, they might tell you, okay, we just need emails, phone numbers, and maybe company address and website. So once that happens, you can remove the ones that you don't need. I think from here before you export or something. Let me see. There should be, right? Okay, even if you are not able to do it here, you can highlight the particular. Let's assume that I don't need this service area. I can highlight it by clicking on this at the top of this Excel sheet. You will see each of them has a column, so I can click on the column. It will highlight the whole column for me, and I will just right click and click on delete column. If I click on this delete column now, I will delete that whole column. So you can edit to suit the exact information that was required from your office, and then you save and then send to your office. Let's assume they don't need Instagram, Facebook. You can also always highlight those ones and delete them. So if I click on delete now, it's going to remove that Facebook and Instagram account. So it depends on what you are asked to do. You understand? So I don't know if anybody has any questions so far before
Esther's hand is up.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, please, I have a question. Like the ones you generated now, you generated from, I believe, page 1 to page 6 or page 5, something like that. So if you want to regenerate tomorrow, like you generate for 60 persons today, and you want to generate tomorrow, are those 16 persons still going to be inside, or is going to start from maybe 61 or so?
Hello? Dose?
Ma.
Sorry, let me answer her.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem, Ma.
Yes. The keywords you are using, this person asked this question. The keywords you are using to generate tomorrow, are they the same thing? You know, you know the meaning of keywords. I'm generating business consultants in US. Is it the same keywords you use tomorrow?
Yes.
You still get the same thing now because you are in the same software. Do you understand? Unless you want to use another software to generate leads. But so long as you are using Yelp Scraper and you still impute this thing now, then you want more. Probably the same thing they will give you. You know, this is a free trial account. You're using free trial account. If it's not a free trial account, you can generate as much as you can the same day. You can generate 1 million. Do you understand? You can generate as much as you can. So if you can do them once, you want to generate once, there's no need tomorrow going back to that Yelp scraper to use again. You look for another one. Maybe you look for Octopus, or Yellow Pages, other ones. Look for other ones so that you will get more things you need. Do you understand? Because if you have a particular keyword, if you have keywords that you are imputing, if you impute it now, impute it tomorrow again, you'll get the same thing because the same keywords. Do you understand? Unless maybe today you are generating maybe business consultants in Texas, USA. Fine. Then tomorrow again, you want to generate life coaches in Texas, US. Have you seen there are different things, different keywords?
Yes.
But if you are generating business consultants in US today, tomorrow again you come and impute business consultant in same US, you will still get the same thing.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
Welcome.
All right. Any other question?
Rukayat, your hand.
All right.
Go ahead with your question, Rukayat. Okay, she's not ready. Then.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Hello, can you hear me, please?
Yeah,
Yes,
we can hear you,
we can
Rukayat.
hear
Go
you.
ahead.
Hello.
We can hear you.
Network. Hello. Okay. After generating the list here, on my LinkedIn, one of the rest on one of the accounts here, I don't know the reason why I have it that way.
I didn't get your question.
Hello.
Yeah, please, can you come again?
Network. The list I generated here.
Okay, yeah.
On number 40, my own number 40, the LinkedIn address that is on number 40, I have my own LinkedIn address on number 40 here.
Your own LinkedIn address?
Yes, on number 40.
Oh.
Hold on. And sorry, let me say comment. Please check other things. Check other ones. Check other ones. It might not be the only one. Check other ones and tell us. Because you are the account owner, so it might be maybe you have a column. The column account owner. Check.
It's just on that LinkedIn only.
I know. Check
the other column.
Okay.
The name under number 40 is Fox City, not my name. The address and everything are not my details. The only thing that is not corresponding there is my own LinkedIn account, my own LinkedIn details that is there. And the person's LinkedIn details too is there. So it has comma after the LinkedIn details and my own LinkedIn account details. I don't know the reason for it.
When we finish class, you share your screen, oh?
All right, ma.
Yes, because they write down. Don't forget. Share your screen when we finish.
All right, ma.
I
Thank
have
you.
a question.
Loretta's hand is up. Loretta.
All right, Loretta.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Sorry, my question is about this Yelp. Is Yelp a lead generation tool or a booking tool?
Yelp is a directory, a business directory.
And it's purely
Mrs. Okibo, I don't know if it's only me that didn't hear you.
I can't hear you.
I think she's network issue.
Does it you've answered that now?
Yeah, Yelp is a directory, it's a business directory where you have a lot of businesses, their contacts, and a lot of things. Then Yelp Extractor is the lead generation tool you are using to get leads from Yelp. I don't know if that's clear.
Okay.
Yeah. So this Yelp is just like yellow pages, like white pages. That's exactly how it is. So you can go into it, search for a particular, maybe like we searched accountants. You can decide to search. How will I put it? Wealth coaches, or you can decide to search banks in US, or you can decide, you can search anything you want to search on Yelp. So let's say you are given a task in your office that we want to sell something to hospitals in United States, and you are asked to get contacts of hospitals in United States. You can come here and search for it. Okay, hospitals in California, hospitals in San Francisco, hospitals in Texas. You understand? So this is what will bring the details for you, but you can't start copying them one after the other. Like all this information now, you can't click this one, open it, and start copying the number, and then you close it back, click on this one again, start copying the number. That's going to take you forever. So the Yelp extractor is what extracts these details from the website for you and makes it easier for you to put in an Excel sheet that you can give to your office if that's what they require. I hope that's clear now, Loretta.
Okay, but I will say that the scraper is just to take out the data from this page.
Exactly.
So you can say Yelp is just like Apollo. So it's a lead generation tool. But I was thinking it is used for booking and rentals.
No, I don't think so. I've not actually explored other things you can do on this Yelp. I will still make a search on that, but I know that I think it's just like Yellow Pages. It's just a directory where businesses list their business. It's just like, you can go to Google Drive, Google Map, and search for restaurants in Ikeja.
Yes.
Restaurants near me. So that's just the way it is here. You can also
it's just for lead generation.
Well, if you put it that way, it might be confusing. For you to generate leads, you need a directory where you are going to get those informations from. You cannot go to any a website that does not have information stored on them and then start generating leads from them. So you need a directory. So this Yelp serves as that directory. Like I explained in the beginning of the class, Yellow Pages was a book before. If you see the book called Yellow Pages, it's like a very big book like that. You can go to US and you go to Yellow Page and you're looking for businesses on the page. So you have to start opening them one by one to see what you're looking for. But over here, they digitized that Yellow Pages. That's what we have here. So this also serves as that Yelp. You can come and search any business here in Dallas, Texas, in any part of the world, and then use the extractor to extract the information. So the main lead generation tool now is the extractor you are using to get the information from the directory, which is Yellow Page or Yelp.
Loretta, that's a surprise.
I hope that's clear now.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Precious, your hand is up.
Okay. Yes, thank you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
The question I want to ask, does it mean that this here can be used to extract leads from other websites or other pages apart from Yelp itself?
No, Yelp is designed to extract information from Yelp. The Yelp extractor is designed to extract information from the Yelp directory, the Yelp website. So I have not tried it on another website, and I doubt it's going to work.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's
and
fine.
that is why once you open it, the only thing you are going to see here is open Yelp.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, any other question before we move?
No, Twin, your hand is up. Hello, Twin.
Bros, they check your market.
Okay.
Bros,
Can
they
you,
check your
can you
market.
hear me? Hello.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, I tried to open the Yelp Scraper now. Then I typed the accountant in a particular country. But I didn't see where to click on extract. The only thing I saw is just download. and when I click on download, it wasn't bringing out the whole information. It's just the address and the website URL.
Okay.
I didn't say extract.
You are using Chrome, right?
Yes, Chrome extension.
Do you have your Yelp like this on your Chrome?
Yes, I have it.
You have to open the Yelp website by clicking on this Yelp. Click on it, this Yelp extractor, and click open Yelp. So that's the website you opened before. You have to close it. You have to open it from this Yelp extractor before you see these 3 buttons on top of the page. Do you have these 3 buttons on top of your page?
Which 3 buttons? These 3.
There is start auto extract. There is export result and clear.
I didn't see it.
Then
the only thing I saw is download.
You missed that step.
Which step is that?
Click on Yelp extractor.
Okay. I'm not seeing Yelp extractor.
Are you seeing this button? Are you seeing this button, these extensions, this particular one here?
Okay. Which one? Sorry.
Which one? You are seeing my mouse, right? My mouse pointer.
Yes.
There is 1, 2, 3, 4. This particular one. The extension.
The Chrome extension button.
Yes.
Okay.
Click on it and then pin. You have to pin Yelp extractor before you see it there.
Okay, I should pin it.
Yes, you have to pin it.
All right. Okay.
So have you done that?
Let me reset. Let me refresh. Okay. I'm not seeing anything. I know I'm not seeing.
Are you sure you have added Yelp Scraper to your
Yes,
extensions?
I've added Yelp Scraper. Yes, I have it. Let me see.
Then you're supposed to see this. Okay, so what will happen is maybe like Mrs. Okibo said, after the class, maybe you just share your screen so that we can see where we can help with that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, please. Ma?
Maybe she has not added. Let her check whether she has removed Chrome. Let's be sure. Let her check remove Chrome. Are you seeing remove Chrome?
Yes, but I've not removed this from Chrome.
And if they are telling you remove Chrome. That means you have it. Go to that extension. Click there. Let it open. Yes, open. You will see it. Go there. Show her. It's there.
These are the lists.
As long as they are telling you remove Chrome, it's there.
Okay. Let me open again.
Watch what Dozier is doing. Watch him.
Okay. Yes, I'm already there now. So let me type accountant.
No.
Have you seen the? Have you pinned it? Have you pinned it?
Yes, I've pinned it. I've pinned it already.
Did you open the site through it? Did you open this Yelp now?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yes, I did.
And you have these 3 buttons on top of your screen.
I'm not seeing the 3 button. No. Let's continue, please. Don't let me.
It's all right. Let's continue. Maybe later you share your screen. Let's see.
Yes.
Okay, are we on the same page on this Yelp before I go to another extractor? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to go into we're going to go into instant data scraper now, so that I can show you how you can use instant data scraper to get information from websites.
Sorry, let's no more please. If possible, you mute, please. Okay, does it go on, please?
Okay. All right. So, Ma.
Can you use Yelp and instant data scraper? Let's see.
Okay.
Yelp itself and instant data scraper.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Let's see.
All right. So let's assume I want to do this same thing we did on this same information. Should I use the same information, or I should search another one now?
Search another one.
So let's look for hospitals in let's say Texas, United States. So let's see what we're going to get. Okay, so we have the list of hospitals in Texas, United States. So I want to get this information on this result, but I don't want to use Yelp Scraper now. So what I already have the same way we installed that Yelp Scraper is the same way I installed this instant data scraper. So all you need to do is go and search for instant data scraper. Search for it. It's going to bring you to this result. The same thing we did. The one that has the Chrome logo on it is what I clicked. Please, I don't know who needs. Someone needs to mute herself, him or herself.
You can't see the screen. No.
Your screen is not showing.
Oh.
But it's showing here. Okay.
His screen is showing.
It's showing.
I can see your screen.
If it's not showing, maybe it's from your own network. I don't know, but others are seeing it.
Don't say your screen is up.
Okay.
I can see his screen.
You can see it, though. I can see it.
All right. So the same thing we did for Yelp Scraper is the same thing I'm going to do. This one that has the logo here is what I'm going to click on. Once it opens, it's showing remove from Chrome because I already have it. So let me remove it and add it again. So I'll just click on add to Chrome. It's going to add extension. It will load up and then tell me that it has successfully added it. So Instant Data Scraper has been added to Chrome. So what I need to do now is to click on this extension logo here and then pin it to my screen. It's not necessary that you must pin it, but I do that so that it will be easy for me to access it. So I pin it. Then all you need to do now is go back to the page you want to scrape data from and click on Instant Data Scraper. It is going to load. So the moment it loads, it's going to change the outline of this page. It's still loading up.
Goes there.
Ma?
Please, can you repeat how you got to this place? This place now. Okay.
Which place?
Yes. Here.
Did you just come in?
No, I did not come in now. I've been here.
So
He's
what
on
happened?
Instant Data Scraper now. I want to know how he get to this place that he is now.
You mean this Instant Data Scraper?
Yes, I'm there already, right? You said you should add something. I've added add Chrome, right?
Okay, and then
There's
you
something
pin
that
it. Did
came
you
up
pin
like
it?
an icon, like spider or so. I don't know if you understand.
He wants to extract. So
I
he's
want
trying
to
to extract.
I want to extract. So
Extract from where now? I have the same question too.
Did
Where
you
are you
click it?
extracting
Once you
from?
click it, it's
That's
going
what
to
I'm
load.
asking.
You said you should click the Instant Data Scraper. You are going to hear.
Hold on. Dozie.
Ma,
Dozie.
ma.
Hold on, sorry. Please, the people asking question, hold on. Do you remember when we did Yelp Scraper? We used Yelp Scraper to extract our data from Yelp. The list we generated in Yelp, we use Yelp Scraper to extract. So now, Dozie is trying to use Instant Data Scraper to extract, to export a list that he has already generated in the Yelp. He has used Yelp Scraper. Now he wants to try Instant Data Scraper. So he pinned the Instant Data Scraper up there, the extension. Do you understand? He opened the Yelp and generated list from Yelp. That now went back to Instant Data Scraper up and click on it and it opens. So that's what you are seeing. That thing that looks like spider. That's what you are seeing. He has not said anything. He just opened it. So after the spider now is this thing. Doesn't you not touch anything? When you click on your Instant Data Scraper, you see that thing that looks like spider before this one will now open. Do you understand?
Is it clear now?
Why is everybody keeping quiet? You ask questions.
Yes.
It's not clear.
It's not clear. Please, can you go back? I beg. It's not clear.
Okay, hold on. I will do it again.
Dozie,
Ma?
you know one thing about this Instant Data Scraper. If you notice, it has started scraping.
Yes.
First of all, check what you have inside here and be sure it's what you did. Check it first. Which city did you? Okay, medicals.
Yes,
Okay, it's the same thing.
It's the same
It's okay.
thing.
Well, go back.
Okay. So
Go back.
the problem with Instant Data Scraper, once you open it, you can't do anything on this page again. So if I have to regenerate this thing, I have to close this page and reopen it again.
Don't close it. Don't close it.
Okay. Okay, so I should use it this way, right?
You should use what?
I should use it this way.
You have started. You've started doing your job. You've explained to them. You opened Yelp and you generated leads. Hold on, please. You generated your leads. Say
Yeah.
medicals, your keywords, medicals in Texas or wherever.
Yes.
Then you opened this and you went back to your instant data scraper. Click on it, and this thing
generate
opened.
Okay. All right. So
Because if you keep going back and forth, because they will not finish what you have to. I won't lie to you.
no problem. I understand. Okay. So once you have added this to your extensions and you have pinned it, all you need to do is the page where you have made your search on what you want to extract. Just go there and click your instant data scraper button. Once you click it, it will load. The moment it loads, it has already started extracting the data. As it is now, I opened it, it will show you something like a spider or whatever, and then what it's showing me now, it has collected 19 data already from this page.
To export.
So what I'm going to do now, I'll click on locate next, and then reopen it again. It's still
Please,
this.
what are you reopening?
Sorry? I reopened the
What are
instant
you
data
reopening?
scraper. I reopened it. If you
Okay,
click on
okay,
locate
okay,
next, it's going to
okay.
close it. It's going to take it out of your screen.
Okay.
So once it takes it out of your screen, Ma?
Click on the locate next button, then scroll down. Let them understand this better, so that they will see all the pages. They will see the reason why they say locate next button. Because
Okay.
you have page 1, page 2, page 3. Let them see the reason why you went to locate next button, so that you scrape everything. Have you seen everything?
Yes,
But they click on that next page. But they click on that next page and move,
Okay.
so that it will turn green. Has it turned green?
Yes, it has.
Did it turn green?
Yes, it has turned green.
Go back again.
Okay. Then once
have you seen that your crawling has come out?
crawling has come out. So once you click on this locate next, once you click on this locate next, you go down to this place that has the different pages that your information is on. This 1, 2, 3, 4. You click on this next page here. You see the green on it here. Then you reopen this instant data scraper, and then you click on start crawling.
Okay. So it starts to pick.
Yes, it starts to go. You see now it has said page is scraped, 2 pages. So it starts going from one page to the other. But the reason why we are not having much information is because this is a free account. If this was a paid account, it's going to go from page to page collecting the information, and you see this 19, this number will keep increasing until it has gotten to the last page, or until you have stopped it on your own. Now there's another problem. I won't call it a problem because that's how the app is designed. On this instant data scraper, if you export this thing like this, it's going to confuse you, because it is going to come out with these titles this way. The titles are not going to show you which is which. So you have to edit these titles here before you export. And you have to do that. That's the reason why I don't like using instant data scraper on Yelp. You understand? Because it's going to give you, I call this title, the day we did this for the first time, it was just like jargon. If you export this now, the place where you have website, it will give you one nonsense write-up there. The place you have phone number, it will give you one nonsense write-up. So you have to use your own discretion. This here is the source. If you look at it, it's yelp.com/whatever, which means it's the source where you got this information from. So you can change this to source. Then we'll go to the next one. I don't know what this one is, and if I don't need it, I'll just click on this X. I don't know if you're seeing this X button here. Can we all see this X button? You click on it, which means I don't need this one, so it will close this one. Then this one, next urgent care, clear.
That's the website now.
This one now is the name of the hospital. So you can click, you can type it, hospital name here. Then this one, most times when I don't know what it stands for, I think I don't know what this one is though. I just end up closing
just call it web. Write it website.
Okay.
Leave it.
Website. Then this one, it has doctors, emergency rooms, medical center. Okay, I think this one is the type of hospital. Category. Yeah, this category. So you have to use your own discretion to do this. Then this one, This one is also
It's still the same thing.
it's still the same thing because walking in.
Directory URL.
Sorry.
Directory URL.
Okay.
I don't think
Directory
we need
URL.
that color.
Delete it.
I don't need
delete
this
it.
one, so I'm going to delete it.
Does it delete it?
Yes, I've deleted it. Then this one also, urgent care, walk-in clinics. I think it's trying to tell you the type of clinic that this thing is. So this is urgent care where you have urgent walk. You can walk in here. I don't know. Maybe probably some of them you can't be admitted. I don't know how this is or what it is. But personally, I don't think I need it. So I will delete it. Then these are the reviews that the hospitals have gotten. These are this one I've gotten 20 reviews, 7 reviews, 66 reviews. So I don't think we also need this. Then this one is telling you when is open. This one is open all day. This one is currently open until 5 p.m. This one is open all day. So this is what would we call this one now?
Delete it.
Okay.
Delete it.
All right. We don't need this one. We don't also need this one. This one is people's comments, so we don't also need this one.
Okay.
We don't need this. So you have to edit it here before you export.
Okay.
I think this also.
Does it want export so that you teach us other things?
Okay. All right. So let's export this. This is just to show you all the things you need to do before you export. So you click on. There are different formats you can export. You can export as CSV or XLS. So I'm using CSV. I'll click on this download button here. The download button here, and it's going to export it. So you see that it has exported it. It says done. So you can come here and click on this place and then open it, and you will see it in Excel format. So this is what we did. This is what we did here. Hold on.
Instant data scraper.
Instant data scraper.
Okay, so let me save it. I'm going to name it as Instant Data Scraper on Yelp.
Good. Hope you guys are understanding. He has taught you different ways now to extract, to scrape.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Mama, it's not yet clear. It's never clear.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Okay, when I downloaded
What are you downloading? Why did you download something?
when I got the data from Yelp, I went to Instant Data Scraper. That's where I'm stuck on.
No problem. Because is still teaching. He has so many things to teach us today. Let's keep moving. He will still go. He will revisit. He will help. Does it write down? He will help.
All right, ma. So this Instant Data Scraper, you can also use it the same way I used it now on Yellow Pages. You can also use it. Let me save this one. This one was what was that first one we got? Accountants, right? Accountants.
Yes.
Yelp Scraper. So I can close it. Okay. So now we are done with Yelp. Let me move over to Yellow Pages, and then on Yellow Pages, you will not be able to use the Yelp Scraper here. You will be able to use the Instant Data Scraper here, but since we've done the two of them, so I'm going to show us how we use the web scraper.
Voice, no,
Please, the girl's voice is very faint.
Please increase your voice.
Is it better now?
It's fair enough, but sometimes it goes lower. But
I think maybe it's the network.
Move far from his system.
No, I'm still in the same position, ma.
Sorry, one more favor. You want to use web scraper? Still do Instant Data Scraper using Yellow Pages for them to understand.
Okay.
Please,
Okay. All
yes,
right, ma.
so that they will understand all this scraper thing.
Okay. All right, ma. Okay, so let's use the same Instant Data Scraper on Yellow Pages. So someone give me something we can search. Can someone give me
life coaches? Let's try life coaches.
Life coaches. This one's where they
in Texas, or you can leave it in Dallas. It's okay. Life coaches. Let's see if we see life coaches. But most times, life coaches are difficult to get.
Coaches.
Are you getting any results?
It's still searching.
It's okay.
I have only 10. Okay. Wow.
Okay, you have 10.
Wow, there are a lot of them. Oh. I have 393.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, 393.
It's good.
Okay.
It's good. It's good. So life coaches in Dallas. That's
Yeah.
our keywords.
Okay, so now
It's okay.
we have searched for life coaches in Dallas, Texas. So now we need to extract the information. This number one in yellow pages, the first page always contains 30 informations. Unlike the Yelp search that in the first page it gives you 10 people. So here, if you take a look, you're going to see 1 to 30, number 1 to 30 on this page. So which means the next page is going to be from number 31 to 60. So now I want to extract these informations on these yellow pages. All I need to do is to click on this.
Please, your voice is so faint. We can't even hear you well.
Oh my God. I don't know what's wrong. I've been using this.
Just be audible. We can't hear at all. Be audible.
I am almost shouting.
What's the problem?
I don't
Is it
know.
network?
Maybe network. I'm almost shouting.
It should be network. NLC.
It's okay.
It's not network.
It's okay. Not so. Does it write down? It's okay.
All right, ma. Okay, so I'm going to click on this instant data scraper now. Most times, once you click on instant data scraper, you will see that it will change the color of your page. That yellow outline or that yellow background we saw then shows you that instant data scraper is now active on a particular page. So once I click it now, it's going to load. You see that it has changed the background of this page. I don't know if we are seeing it, right? Hello, can we hear me?
It has not reflected.
Your screen is off.
It's not off. It's on.
I can see
It's
it.
not on.
It's back.
I can see the back. I can see your screen.
Hello, let's not mislead him. The screen is up.
Okay. The people who are seeing my screen, can you see this yellow background color now on this page? It wasn't there before. So what is
yellow?
On this place, you've seen this yellow and red outline with a yellow coloring inside it.
Yes.
This is what shows you. This is what shows you that your instant data scraper is active. So once you click it, once it finishes loading, this yellow background is going to be here. So which means if you go down now, you see that it has highlighted the 30 results that we got from searching life coaches. It has highlighted the 30 of them. And if you also see on that, let me open it. Just hold on. Let me close all these other ones. I didn't close them earlier.
Sorry, class rep. You're not paying attention to your screen. People are raising their hands up.
No, it's just one person, and it's a previous handle. That's blessing. I've asked her to drop her handle.
Drag her hand down.
Okay, so if we take a look at this now, it's telling us pages script, 1 page. And how many informations did it collect from that page? 30, because we have 30 on these yellow pages. So now I'm going to click on locate next, and I'm going to come here and I click on this 2. If you see, once you click on the next page, or I'll click on this, you will see that it's highlighted in green, just like we clicked on next on that Yelp page. Once you click on this next button here, you go back to your instant data scraper, and then you see that your start crawling has appeared. So you click on start crawling.
Your data will finish. You stop it. Your data will finish.
It has stopped already. Crawling stopped.
It's okay.
I think it can only do first page because we are not using a paid account.
Trial.
Yeah. So now this is the information we got. You do the same thing we did by editing these details here. I'm just going to edit one of them. You do the same thing before you export. The same thing, business name. This one even PT or small, give us business name yourself. So just edit it and then you export. Once I'm done, now I click on this CSV. It's going to export it for me, and then I go here and open it.
That's why you are doing that.
Okay.
Is will be done there has been up.
Okay.
Will be Mary. Yeah. Mary, you were raising your hand. Okay, she's done. Does it go?
Okay.
Please, where did you say it after you downloaded it?
Sorry, this person that asked question, did you just enter here? No, I need to ask now because we have done this thing several today. Did you just enter class?
No, ma'am.
But it's not good now. Taking us back like this, it's not good. Do you know how many times we've done this? It's not good now. Let's help ourselves. Please.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Good. Dozie, you can help her, please.
Okay. So whenever you download anything on your Chrome or your even Firefox, you are going to see this button here. I don't know if you are seeing it. Download. If you hover over it, it will tell you it's download. So you click on it, you will see everything we've downloaded today is here. The one that I downloaded currently now is the one on top. The one you just recently downloaded will always be the one on top. If you want to confirm further, you will see this one was downloaded 1 minute ago, this one 9 minutes ago, this one 40 minutes ago.
Okay.
So once I click on this here now, once I click on it here, it's going to open. Or if I want to open the folder where it saved this thing now, I will just click on this folder icon. It will take me to the folder where it saved that file. I hope it's clear now.
Okay. Yes, very clear. Thank you.
Jessica, your hand is up.
Okay. Yeah. I tried to add the yellow pages to my Chrome as an extension, but it's telling me that this item can only run.
No. Nobody said you should add yellow pages for extension. No, we didn't do that.
Data Scraper.
What
We
we
did not
added
do
was
that.
instant data scraper, not yellow pages.
Instant Data Scraper.
Yes.
It's only your scraper you can pin because you want to use your scraper to extract. Only your scraper. Don't go and add it. Don't go and kill yourself trying to put something again there. Just open your yellow page. Leave it open and do the rest.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Okay, Maria, your hand is up.
I just want to get clarification. Does that mean that the instant data scraper is an alternative for Yelp Scraper?
Instant data scraper is another tool on it. So it's just like saying when you come to project management, you have Asana, you have Trello. That's just the way it is. Instant data scraper is another type of scraper. Yelp Scraper is another type of scraper. The only difference is that Yelp can only extract data from the Yelp Scraper can only be used to extract data from Yelp websites. You can't use it on Yellow Page. You can't use it like I found out that there's another site I found yesterday that you can use to even get data. It's called Schwab.com. You can't use it on any of these websites. You understand? So you can only use.
There's another one. This 7 lead finder. That's the best. This 7 lead finder. That's the best tool to extract to generate leads from.
Okay.
This 7 lead finder.
D7 what?
D7 lead finder. Lead LEAD finder.
You can use it on any website.
That one, everything is there. He has everything like the way Apollo has everything inside it. You are not going out. You are not looking for any scraper to help you. It has everything inside it. Does it write on?
Okay. This is the site. D7. I don't know if you can see it. D7 lead finder.
But does it leave it?
Okay.
Finish.
No problem. Okay, so we are.
It's a precious hand. Just lastly, precious hand. Her hand has been up.
All right, Precious.
Okay, yes. Thank you. You said that this, what they call the real yellow page, is a directory for businesses, right?
Yes.
Okay. So my question now, this instant data scraper, right?
Yeah.
I tried to open it on my LinkedIn, and it just told me, sorry for the inconveniences, that it can actually work there.
Hold on, let me tell you. Please don't play with your LinkedIn so that they don't restrict you. You understand? Because they might even see, oh, you want to come and scrape our what is it called?
at least there. Just be careful. Be careful. Be careful with your LinkedIn. All this your more LinkedIn Upwork, please. You can do any, even though we can generate leads from our LinkedIn, but we have lead navigation. What is it called? LinkedIn navigation. I've been LinkedIn navigator. Do you understand? You better don't carry your instant data scraper and enter there, so that nobody will come and restrict you, thinking you are a scammer. Let's just be careful when we are doing this.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Okay, so I believe that's that on instant data scraper. So now we're going to go to one that is a little bit technical, which is the web scraper.
Sorry, let me interrupt you small. Sorry. Does it show them the other way? In case they don't have strength to use instant data scraper, Yelp Scraper.
Okay.
Show them the ChatGPT where you highlight everything. Show them.
Okay. Now
we are not showing you everything. No, you should buy Goze mineral and chicken.
Thank you, Mr. Goze. Thank you so much.
Okay, so on I think 2 weeks ago when we had a live session in Lagos, we discovered a way where you can use to easily instead of using all these data scrapers, you can just use ChatGPT to get these informations, and it will even go ahead to arrange it for you in a format that you can copy and paste on Excel. So how we did that was that on this page now, once you've gotten what you are searching for,
does they use Google Map so that they will know that we have shown them different things? Use Google Map.
Okay.
And ChatGPT. What you are doing, be talking, let them understand what we are doing.
All right. So you can also get the informations from Google. So all you need to do, search for Google Map. This one you don't need. These other ones I showed you. You must do it on Chrome because that's where you can add the extensions. But this one you don't necessarily need Chrome. You understand? So you can search for Google Map and it's going to bring it out for you. This is Google Map. Just click on it to open Google Map on your browser. So once it's opened, you will see a search bar here. So let's assume that I am in Lagos now. I want to look for hospitals in Lagos. This one it's even easier because you can do it. We can use it to generate leads in Nigeria and a lot of other places. So let me search for. Okay, let's leave hospital. What else can we do now?
Electronics.
Or importers.
Electronic stores. Let's do electronics in Lagos. Let's do electronic stores in Lagos. And then you search.
In Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos,
Nigeria. And then search. Now, if you take a look at this place, you're going to see all the electronic stores here that it has found.
I'm not seeing your screen, no.
Please, if your search bar is going, be telling us whether it's left or right so that you know where it's going.
Okay, I don't know if the screen is visible now.
No.
No.
It's not. We are seeing your Google Map.
We are seeing your Google Map.
That's where I am.
Yes. But where are you typing? We didn't see what you typed.
This is where I typed over here. I just highlighted it. Now. This is where I typed. There's always a search bar at the top left corner of your Google Map.
Okay.
So you can type, you can search whatever you want to search. So in this case, we searched electronic stores in Lagos, Nigeria. So it will open. You're seeing the list here, right?
Yes.
Google. Why I like Google is that you keep going down. It will keep searching for more until it finishes it. You will keep searching for more. As you're going down, you will see it. It will show you that it's still loading more. It will open them. Let's assume it has finished, you will see that loading will not appear again. So let's make do with what we have. Let's not go further again so that it will not keep searching for more. Now, what you need to do is to click on, press your Control A here. Control A to highlight everything. It doesn't matter what you highlight. If you like, highlight the map itself. Just press your Control A. You press your Control A. I don't know if you are seeing that it has highlighted the results that we got, right?
Yes.
Okay, but before I copy it, you can do this before or after, but let me do it before. I will go to my ChatGPT and give it a prompt. I'll give it a prompt. Are you seeing my ChatGPT?
Yes.
Okay, so I was. It depends on how creative you can be. So I will say, arrange these. Now I need to know what exactly Google gave me, the things that Google gave me. So there is a address here. There is there is phone number, there is address, and there is those are the company name, phone number, and address. So that's what I need. Google most times don't give you email. They will give you phone number, they will give you the address and the company name, but I've not seen a case where it gave email. So I'm going to say arrange this information in this format.
Hope you guys are seeing what he's doing.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are. Yes,
Okay, let me rephrase. Arrange this information in a format that I can easily copy and paste on my Excel sheet using these formats, comma, company name, comma, phone number, comma, and address. Sometimes I add and any other
Information.
relevant fields.
Does
Ma?
when you finish, please allow me to speak. Oh, when you finish
All
this
right,
thing,
ma.
just tell me to speak. Oh,
All right, ma. So once I'm done typing this, I will hold my shift, because if I press enter like this, it will just send it to ChatGPT. So it is very, very important that you do not forget to hold your shift. When you hold your shift and press enter, it's going to take the cursor to another line where you can now go and copy what you got from Google and paste there. So I've highlighted this. Can just click Ctrl C and then go to my ChatGPT. Just paste the thing there. Nothing there happen. And then I can now send this information and then watch the magic. Okay, sorry. I need to refresh my ChatGPT. I've not used it for some hours now. So I copied I copied those things exactly the way they are, and I'm pasting them back here. This ChatGPT get one.
it's okay. Why does it is still reloading? Let me throw more light. Does it?
Ma.
Okay, while you are still reloading, let me throw more light. You see this thing Doze is doing now. You know he can also use lead scraper to do it, but he's showing you people different means, different ways of doing this. So that if you cannot use instant data scraper, you do copy and paste into your ChatGPT. You understand? And now tell ChatGPT what to do for you. You kind of format this information in Excel sheets using so format. Do you understand? And again, why this? So is making noise. And again, why this one is very important is this: if you get job as a lead generation specialist, and anywhere you get job, they will have their format. You don't generate everything. You work with their keywords and the format given to you. They will give you Excel format. You understand? The format in an Excel sheet, maybe name, website, email, phone number, source, categories. So whatever format that is given to you, you use that format in ChatGPT so that you don't kill yourself doing things manually. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the importance of this particular thing Doze is showing you with ChatGPT. In case you get a job and it is lead generation. Do you understand? The format, whatever format that is given to you, you don't do manual work. Come here and do this exact thing Doze is doing, using the format given to you. Those are you there?
Yes, ma'am, here.
Okay. Those a few hands are up.
Can I ask a question?
And those can you take
Okay.
Okay, as a lead generation specialist, like a CRM now, in a particular company, they have a tool for their CRM they make use of. Okay, now as a lead generation specialist, do companies also make use of lead generation tools that a lead generation specialist will make use of? Or is it our duty to find a tool to generate leads?
It's not your duty. Your company has to provide for you. But in a situation your company is stingy, like the new job we got, the man is so stingy. He couldn't even give us anywhere to generate leads from. We are the one killing ourselves, trying to generate leads from different sources. Do you understand? But ordinarily, your company is supposed to provide it for you guys. Do you understand? I have friends who are working in their company. What they are using is Apollo.io. Do you understand? But in a case it is not given to you, you do what you know. That is what it is.
All right, thank you.
Okay, Pitman, you can ask your question. Justice.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Sorry, my question is before you got to this point, this ChatGPT place, I didn't understand how you got to integrate into ChatGPT. I don't know, maybe he has it before or something, so it's a bit confusing for me.
Sorry, just integrate what, Justice? Take your question again. Integrate what?
I say I didn't understand the way he tried to integrate the lead generation thing into the ChatGPT, because
he copied and pasted.
Yeah, I understand.
Well, let me explain to you. I'm Pitman. In Lagos, isn't it? You understand? Yeah. Then does he now open another tab and open ChatGPT because he wants to copy, as in he will first of all highlight all the lists he has generated in Google Maps, copy it, and now paste it into ChatGPT. Do you understand? No integration.
Okay. So
yes.
Thank you very much. That's where I was lost.
It there now because they will not tell ChatGPT. ChatGPT, please help me and put it in Excel sheet like this, like that.
Okay. I understand now. Thank you very much.
Thank
you.
You are
welcome.
Then Glory, your question, Glory.
It has been answered. I was wondering how you imported the leads you generated into the ChatGPT. I think they answered.
Okay. Bello, your question. Bello. Okay, stop. You can go. Hello, Jose.
Yeah.
Please go on.
Okay. All right. We can still see my screen, right? This ChatGPT, I don't know whether I don't join NLC strike. Sometimes it misbehaves because I'm supposed to have the list of all my previous searches here, but it's not actually showing it. And once that happens, there is nothing you are doing here that will work. That's what I've been.
I'm back. Network threw me out.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, I heard Madam Okibo talking about Apollo. Can we say Apollo is another tool for generating leads?
Hold on.
Yes.
What's your question? Sorry. What did she ask, please?
I mean, you were saying something about Apollo. I'm asking if Apollo is another tool for generating leads.
Yes. Sorry, which session are you? Which set are you?
I mean, which set?
Me and Juice, May, April and May.
April and May, yes.
Are you sure you will answer that question later? Oh, sorry. Just call me later, please. This question is strange. I don't know. I don't know how to answer it. You understand? Meaning that you were not in class when we did lead generation with Equi.
I wasn't in class.
It's okay. Talk to me later, oh, please. Thank you. Does it write down?
All right, ma.
Does are you there? Okay, write down.
Yes, I am. Okay. I'm trying to get my ChatGPT to work properly. Sometimes it will just log you out and To log in will be a problem.
Please, I have a small question. Oh, please don't be offended.
All right.
Now, I've tried my own and it works perfectly, but I don't know how to export it into a CSV Excel sheet.
Hold on. He will get there. Dozie, sometimes maybe you have been using this and they want you to pay. Do you know what you do? Dozie, if your own is not working today, tomorrow you try it again. ChatGPT is becoming stingy. Do you understand?
You should calm down.
Is it working?
No, I want to try if it's going to work on Copilot.
Okay, we'll try. The person that asked this question, just hold on, we'll get there. It's just for you to copy it and paste in your Excel sheet, but hold on. Let Dozie get there first.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Welcome.
Sometimes the thing happens for some minutes and then it stops. But this one, Akwechiri is a Kwechiri. I told one thing we need to know, ChatGPT is.
Just please your volume a bit. Just increase your volume.
Okay. One thing we need to know is it better now?
Fair enough.
Okay. ChatGPT is if you know how to prompt ChatGPT, you can do almost anything with it. You understand? Sometimes I will use ChatGPT, it will give me information, and the information is not what I need. I will just tell it, no, this is not what I need. And I will keep prompting it until it gives me exactly what I am looking for. Let me see. This one now is giving me jargon. So let me see if I can reprompt it. Let me see if I can reprompt it to give me what I need. Do this. You see how it's arranging it, but this is not what I want. I want it in a tabular format. So let me say, no, do this in a tabular format and see if it's going to come out. Do this in a tabular format. And let's see what it's going to generate for us. This Copilot is actually a very nice ChatGPT. Sometimes you make a search on it, and it's not only going to stop. This is exactly what we need. It's not only going to give you the information you need. It will give you a website you will visit. It will also give you some pictorial representations of what you searched and examples using pictures. So if you see this one, this is arranging it in tabular format, but this is not exactly the one of ChatGPT. Is far better than what we have on this screen. It will draw the lines for you. I don't know if this one, if I export it to Excel, if it's going to come out that way. So let's wait until you finish putting them down. Then
Dozie, can that girl share screen so that the others will see it?
Okay. That's better.
Yeah, the girl that got it. Yes, the girl that got the exact thing we are looking for. Can she share screen? Ask her.
Glory, are you online? Glory.
Yes, I'm online, but I'm using my phone for this meeting, and I'm using the system to generate it. So I don't know.
Okay.
She can open her WhatsApp on her system now, then connect.
Yes. That will take time.
Well, you can share your screen on your phone now.
Sorry, Queen Justice, mute please. Justina also.
You can actually share your screen on your phone. The option is there, beside the hand option. If you click on those three dots at the base, you will see share screen.
Glory, can you do that?
She can't do that because she's using her assistant to generate that list. Why she's
using her phone to join the meeting.
Okay, I get. All right.
Okay, those are your back.
Okay. So let's see if we copy this one and paste on ChatGPT, if it's going to give us exactly on Excel, whether it's going to give us exactly what we need. This one too don't be misbehave. NLC.
Do you let her go to the office space? Yeah? I want to remove. Okay.
Okay, so this one did not finish. No, do this in a tabular format. These people are becoming very stingy with this ChatGPT. I don't know why.
Maybe it's network.
It's network, it's network that is doing that thing.
It should be. Because most times when I refresh, it just comes back on its own. So I'm wondering what exactly is wrong with this one now. It has never taken me this time. It has never taken this time before to come back.
Is there anybody that is where Dozier is, so that the person can share his or her screen? Just like Glory's phone is a phone. Anybody?
Glory can share a screen.
Actually, the ChatGPT is also doing the same thing in my end here. So I guess maybe there's something wrong with the site or so. Maybe they're fixing something. I don't understand.
Oh, Sydney, you're experiencing the same thing as well?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Does it?
Yeah.
But how do we export? That's
you thing. You copy and paste.
Copy and paste.
Yes, you copy and please, when you are copying, that's why it's very important that this thing shows up, because if you use the ChatGPT button to copy it, you know ChatGPT know how to talk too much. You understand? ChatGPT know how to. If you use the ChatGPT button to copy it, it will copy both the information it gave you before it started generating the table and the information it gives you after the table. And then when you now paste it on Excel, you will see that your work is scattered. So you need to copy only the table by highlighting the table. I don't know if I made sense.
Does it your volume, please?
Okay, I was saying, is it better?
Okay, fair enough.
Okay, I was saying, sometimes the ChatGPT has a copy button that will allow you to copy everything it generated, right?
Yeah.
You are not going to use that button, because if you use that button, there will be some information that ChatGPT will give before generating the table and some information that it will give after generating the table. It will copy everything. And once you copy it that way, if you paste it on Excel sheet, you will see that your sheet will not be arranged. It will not be in a tabular form. I will just scatter the whole thing. So what you need to do is to make sure you copy only the table by highlighting the table. So you put your cursor at the beginning of the table and highlight to the end of the table. Make sure that no other information enters, and then you copy it and paste it on your Excel. I don't know if it's understandable that way.
Yeah, we heard it. Okay. When we try it out to see how it flies.
Okay.
Are there questions?
Any more questions before we go to Web Scraper?
Okay, no hand is up. Okay. No hands up. So does it go on?
Okay, so I believe we understood the one for ChatGPT. So I'll go ahead. I'll go to Web Scraper. How we can use the Web Scraper to get information from the same from Yellow Page. Just a minute.
Sorry, is everyone hearing Dozier? I can't hear Dozier again.
The volume is.
Like I need to buy a headphone so that okay. Can we all hear me now? Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better a bit.
Okay. So what I'm going to show now is how to use the Web Scraper. If you look here, you will see that we've done Instant Data Scraper, which is this one. We've done Yelp Scraper, which is this one. Now, the third one here is Web Scraper. The same way that we added these extensions is the same way I added this Web Scraper. So let's, you just go to your Google and you type web scraper. This is exactly what I was saying earlier. If you use this one you are seeing here, this one, it's not going to work for you. If you use it, it's not going to work. It's going to take you to web scraper website. So what you need to do is just this one that has the Chrome logo on it. That's what you click. So when you click on it, it's going to open this place where you.
Your screen, no. Am I the only one?
No, he's showing you. His screen is up.
It's a network.
Maybe it's from your own end. Maybe it's
So
from
what
your
he's
own
talking
end.
about, I can't see. It's just you seeing the whole
Sign out and come back, please.
Yeah, it went off and came back on. So just exercise patience. Maybe your next will bring it back.
Okay, so we can continue, right? Ma?
Yes, please.
Doze,
Ma?
you are missing one. No, you are missing Zillow and Zillow Scraper. What happened? Or is it for another day?
We'll do that another day. I was trying to go around Zillow, so I wasn't able to finish because of light.
It's okay.
So we'll do Zillow another day so that I will finish going through it and make sure I'm saying the right things.
And hold on, Doze. Sorry, hold on.
All right, ma'am.
Emo, please. So far, what Doze has taught, did you people understand it? So that we don't keep moving and be talking and people are not understanding. You know, we've done so many things today. We did instant data scraper, Yelp scraper. We did use yellow pages. What again? And Doze, what again? Google Map.
Google Map.
Do you understand? I hope we are getting what you are doing so that we don't keep moving and nothing is entering.
We are getting it.
I get it.
Exactly.
Yes, ma, we're getting.
It's okay.
All right. So let's move ahead. So in the first time when you come here, you will see that this is not added to Chrome. When you go to that, don't forget, please don't click the first one. It's going to take you to their page, their own website. Click the one that has the Chrome logo, and then you add this to your Chrome by clicking on that button.
Please.
You add to Chrome. Huh?
Is it possible you come closer to your device?
Like I'm even carrying my laptop in my hand like this.
Because right now it's like sign language is even better.
I'm carrying my laptop in my hand as it is right now.
So the same way we added our Yelp Scraper and instant data scraper, the same way we are adding web scraper here. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Josie.
Yeah.
Is it possible you check your system volume?
Yeah, that's another thing.
Okay. Is it better now?
Yes.
It's better now.
Better. Yes,
Okay.
better.
Okay. All right. So, like Mrs. Okibo said, the same way we added these other two scrapers is the same way we are going to add the web scraper. So, click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension. It will load and tell you extension successfully added. Okay. So now I will go to this plugin, this extension plugins here. Click on it and then pin the web scraper. Once you put it, you are not going to see it until you pin it. So I have pinned it here, and that is why I have it here. It's like a web logo, just like this. So now we are now going to go to Yellow Pages. Let's go to Yellow Page, and someone give me something else we can search. Any suggestion?
Search for recruiters.
Recruiters.
Here.
Okay, let's see.
Thank you.
Recruiters where?
Recruiters
Your
where?
keyword should be complete. Recruiters where?
Recruiters in West Virginia.
West Virginia. It's not West Village. I type West Virginia. No, you're gonna see West Village.
West Virginia.
Exactly.
Let's see if we are going to get a result on that. Okay,
Sorry.
I think we might have to be very specific about this. Recruiters is not giving me what I'm seeing here is not, because I saw one that wrote sales recruiters. So maybe we can use that.
Okay, but we can check the sales recruiters. This was generating.
Use HR.
Okay. Let's see if we get anything from that.
Your human choke. The spelling of your human.
Is NLC, is NLC. Okay, so these are the recruiters that has been. Why is Navy here? Who won't join Army?
So say use business consultant so that you don't sleep here. Use
This
business
one is giving
consultant.
me what I don't know. Business consultant.
In Texas. In Houston, Texas.
Okay, so we have our list of business consultants here.
But hold on. Is there any phone number here? This one looks question call.
There are phone
Is there
numbers.
any phone number?
There are phone numbers here.
Okay. Nice job.
Yeah, there are phone numbers here. Okay.
Okay.
So please, we need to pay serious attention because this one has a lot of steps and is very technical. So if you have to write it down, be writing the steps down as I'm saying it. It's very, very technical.
Get biro.
Get a biro.
Is hard. Get biro. Everybody get biro. It's not something you will learn like that. Get biro. Of course, web scraper is hard. So get biro. So that even when he's telling you site map, anything, you write. Get biro.
Okay, are we good to go?
Can it be used on the?
Can it be used where?
Can it be used on the Yelp site?
I've not tried it though. I've not tried it on Yelp.
What's that question?
Whether it can be used on Yelp website.
Yeah, but why would you want to go there when Yelp has given you everything? Needless.
All right.
You understand? Why going? Are you getting what I'm saying? Yelp has given you everything, so why are you trying to kill yourself?
Okay.
All right, are we good to go?
From the West paper.
Sorry?
How? Who is asking that question?
It's me.
Were you not here when we did? Hold on, please. Hold on. When we did our instant data scraper and the other scraper, Yelp scraper, were you not here? Were you not here?
I'm here. I just want him to go back to the web. You know he's working.
No. Don't choke him. Don't choke him with questions. No. We've done it severally. Those they don't go back. It's not good. Don't choke him.
You can watch the video later and then maybe fast forward to that place so you understand.
We've done this thing severally today. The same way you added your instant data scraper and your web scraper.
It's the same.
The same, and your Yelp scraper. They are the same thing. Instead of choking us with questions. Sorry. Don't worry. We'll help. We'll do that. But let's move.
Okay. So I believe we are all ready. So once you open, your search is complete, you click on this web scraper. Sorry, you right click on your page, on the page where this particular yellow page is now. If you are following me, just be following what I'm doing and tell me if you're seeing the same thing. How many of us are seeing inspect? Once you right click on your page, you will see the last option there is inspect. Are we seeing it?
Is what?
Inspect page.
Inspect.
Yes.
Inspect, yeah.
Are we seeing it?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to.
Ma? Sorry, in order not to have problem, first reload. Click on reload. Oh, you know this web scraper. This web scraper is always messing up. Reload so that you'll be sure that everything here. Reload.
Okay, it's loading.
Web scraper is always somehow. It's okay.
Yeah. It's done reloading. Okay, so right click on the page and click on inspect. Once you click on inspect, you are going to see plenty things that will scare you. Don't worry. Have we clicked on the inspect?
Yes.
Okay. Now, once you click on inspect, you're going to see this here. I don't know how many of us have this on our screen or at the bottom of our screen.
John now.
Please, who needs to mute herself? Someone should mute.
Bolanle, please.
I would like to change.
Bolanle Balogun, please.
I have it by the right hand side of my computer.
By the right hand side.
Yes.
You can, if you have it on the right hand side, look for these three dots here. Are you seeing these three dots on not the three dots on your browser, the three dots on this dock that's opened here?
Sorry, does it just move over your mouse around?
This is it here. This is the three dots. Since you have it on the right, let me put mine on the right. Since you have it on the right, you will be. This is how you have yours, right?
Yes, exactly.
If you look here, you are going to see the three dots. After the settings, you will see three dots here.
Yeah, I can see it.
Click on it. Have you clicked on it?
I have.
Then you will see dock side. Put it at the bottom. This one here, dock to bottom.
Okay.
Have you seen dock to bottom?
Dock side,
dock to bottom.
Yes. Have you done that? Are we not?
I saw dock side, but when I click it, it will just shift.
No, you are not clicking on the dock. On that dock side, there are rectangles that are there. 4 rectangles there. After the dock side.
So this one is dock to bottom.
Yes.
There is one of them is dock to bottom.
Sorry,
I think the third one.
Is it when you clicked on the 3 button that these boxes came up?
When you click on these 3 dots now, you will see.
Clicked on it.
Once you see these options here, then click on this. On the dock side, there are 4 boxes. One of them, the first one there is on dock. That's to make it to come appear in a separate window. Then the second one there is dock to the left side. Then the third one is dock to bottom. That's the one you need. So click on it. It takes it to the bottom. Now, once you get to the bottom, are we all on the same page now?
Sorry, Dozie.
Yeah.
This explanation is how to take it from the right-hand side to the bottom. Is that what you did, or is it part of what you are doing?
No. It's how to take it. When you open it for the first time, if you have not opened this inspect for the first time, you are going to see it on your right.
Okay.
So all you need to do is change where it is, the position of it to the bottom. It's not part of what we are doing. It's just in case you have it on the right.
Okay.
Yeah. Then once you get to this place now, all these options here, element console, sources, you will see your web scraper here as part of the options. Are we seeing it?
Yes.
Click on it. Click on that web scraper.
Mm-hmm.
Are we here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, right on.
Now, once you click on the web scraper, you will see options here. There's site maps, then there is sitemap that has an arrow, and then there is create new sitemap. You click on create new sitemap.
Where, please?
Watch her.
See my mouse. Are you seeing sitemaps here? Are you seeing it? Have you clicked on web scraper at that place?
Yes.
Did you see on that web scraper there is a white background? You will see sitemaps. You will see another sitemap with arrow. Is it on your screen?
Yes, I've seen it.
Okay. Then you will see the next one is create new sitemap, right? Are we seeing this create new sitemap?
Yes.
Click on it and then click create sitemap. Are we here? I'm slowing down on this because once I miss anybody on these steps, I've missed you. There is no going back. Once I miss you on these steps, you either have to watch the video.
Sitemap name. So once we click create new sitemap,
it will bring out options for you. There is the first one is create sitemap and import sitemap. Import sitemap is you already have a sitemap somewhere else that you want to import, but we don't have, so we are creating a new sitemap. So that's what I clicked, and that is what brought me here. So now we are going to name this sitemap Business Consultants, because that's what we have. That's the search we have. So business, don't give a space. If you give a space, it's going to give you an error. So that Business Consultant, if you want to differentiate it, you can make the B capital, C capital. If you give a space, it's going to give you an error. Business Consultant.
Doze?
Ma?
Doze?
Ma?
Hello, Doze?
Ma, I can hear you, ma.
Is he here?
I'm here.
Doze, use something we cannot forget. Use what's the keywords? What are we looking for?
Business Consultants.
Business Consultants?
Yes.
Doze, are you there?
I'm here. I'm talking.
We can hear you.
Add yellow website, a web scraper, so that we'll know what you are looking, where we are getting it from. You can put the keywords and also put that yellow page whatever that we can use to remember what you are doing.
Okay, so what if I do it business consultants? Business consultants, okay. Yellow pages. Is that okay? So business consultants, yellow pages. Did we see how I typed it?
Anyway, it's okay.
One word, no space.
No space. Once you give, let me give a space so that you see what you see. Once you give a space, it will give you error. You are seeing that error message, right?
Yes.
Once you give space, it will give you error. So there will be no space between them. You can differentiate them with the capital letter starting each word. Then the second thing here is URL. URL is this website, this particular page we are about to scrape. You are going to click on this address here, copy it and paste in your URL. I don't know if we are seeing
the yellow page URL.
Exactly, this URL. You are going to copy it and paste it on this your URL here.
Where are we copying or where are we pasting?
See the address where you type www. Are we still seeing my screen?
Yes, we are seeing your screen.
Okay.
Yes, I'm seeing it now.
Okay, so copy this place you type www.nlc.com. Just copy this address that is already here. It is the URL of this search that we did. This particular search now that we made, this is the URL. If you copy this and paste it somewhere else, it will still bring out this search for you. So you copy this URL and paste it on this start URL 1. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Then, how do I copy it?
Just click on it. It will highlight.
Highlight it
now.
And click on it and highlight it.
You just need to click it once. Once you click it once, it will highlight the whole thing. You copy it and paste it here. So we can move ahead, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then once you are done with this, you click on Create Sitemap. Create Sitemap. If you look now, you are going to see that what we created, Business Consultants Yellow Pages. That's called the current sitemap where we are at now. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the next step is once you are on this page, you see this button here, Add New Selector. Add New Selector. You are going to click on Add New Selector. It's going to open yet another place for informations for you. Now, the first thing we are going to add here is, on this page, we have 30 informations of these business consultants, 30 different informations, right? So that's the first thing we are going to put here. So we are going to name it link or links.
Does it please? Oh, I'm lost.
Okay, what's your confusion?
I just copied it. What next should I do?
Click on create sitemap. Did you see the create sitemap? You paste it on your URL and click on create sitemap.
Yeah, I've seen it.
So have you done that?
I'm having an error message here. Say only letters, digits, or any other character.
There is a place you left a space on the first thing, the name you typed. Remember where I told you, create new sitemap, This particular place, are you seeing this sitemap name?
Yes.
You put whatever you want to write there must not have a space. If you want to write 10 words there, don't put a space. Once you put space, you get error.
Okay.
Yeah. So do that so that I'll know you're on the same page before I continue.
Please, Dozie.
Yeah.
If we all are paying attention and then taking notes down, we won't be having this issue.
Exactly. I'm taking down notes. It's better so that we can cover a lot.
If everybody starts practicing, do you know we will sleep here?
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. Just be taking notes on the steps. Whatever I write, I click this, you write it. Click this.
Yes.
You understand?
Then we'll go back when we are done with the class.
Then when we are done, if you have a confusion, you can watch the video. Or when we get to questions now, you can now ask any questions you are confused on. You understand?
Yes.
So this is the business. This is where we created. This is where we stopped before she asked her question. So click on this add new selector. It's going to bring you here where you have these informations to furnish. You have
Where is your screen? Oh, where is your screen?
Mama, it's only you that you are not seeing screen.
It's okay. I've seen it. It's okay.
Okay. So it's going to give you this place where you have to put these informations. So the first information I'm about to put is, for this thing to scrape this data, it needs to open each of these names. This is the first record we have, College of Healthcare Professional. This is the second one. This is the third one. It needs to open them individually and enter into them. If I open this now, it will take me to this person's page and I'll see the different informations that they have there. So Web Scraper needs to enter into each one of them individually and extract the information from them one after the other. That is why we are creating this selector ID. So that's the first one we are doing. Well, we'll name it links. Write links there on that ID. Write links. And then the type is going to be link. Because what we are selecting is a link. If you see, there's a difference between text and link. Text. Any text that is on a page, if you click on it, it will not open anything. You can copy it, but this is a link. So that's why we are changing the type to link so that it will know that we are talking about this link here, 1, 2, 3, just like that. So once I type these links, I change the type to link. And then I click on multiple because we are not selecting just number 1. We are selecting 1 to 30. But watch what will happen. Once I click on this multiple, then I'll click on select. You click on multiple first because we are not selecting just 1. Click on multiple first and then click on select. Now, once you click on select, you will see this on your screen. Are we all seeing this? Done selecting.
Yes.
Then you select number 1 first. It will highlight it, showing that it has selected. You go down, select number 2. Once you select number 1 and 2, most times it will highlight others.
Okay.
Once you select number 1, select number 2, you have already given it what it needs to highlight others. If you go down to number 30, you will see that all of them are all highlighted all the way to number 30. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now, once you are done with this, because it has selected it for you, so you are no longer clicking 1 to 30. You now click on done selecting. Done selecting. Click on done selecting and then click on save selector. We are done with number 1 thing we need. So what we are telling this web scraper is that go into each and every one of these things and get the information for us. Now, we are now going to do number 2. The second one we are going to do is we are now going to open the first one here, which is number 1. Click on it and it will open the page for you. Now, this is the page where we have all the informations we need. The phone number, the website, the business location, what else? Email. I just noticed that you can no longer scrape email from, I don't know if it's from my end, but I tried it all through last night. I can no longer scrape their email out. Before, this email used to be somewhere here around here. So it was easier then, but I don't know why. Since it came here, you can no longer scrape the email. So now, once I open this number 1 and it opens, I am going to click on this one to open it as well. These links, click on it, it will open. Then under the links, you will see that under the link, you see another add new selector. So I'm going to, what I'm doing now is I'm going to tell it under this number 1 that we said, what and what do I need from there? So add new selector. The first one, we'll call it business name. Then we'll leave it as text because it's no longer a link. You see that you can't click on this now, right?
Okay.
So it's now a text. So we need the text, not the link, because we have already opened the link. Leave it as text and leave it as single because you are just it's only number 1 that is open. It's not multiple. So leave it as single and then click on select. Once you click on that select, you hover over it. You will see that it will highlight it yellow. Are we seeing it?
Yes.
Once you hover on it and you see that yellow, click on it. You've selected this now. Then you click on done selecting. And then you save this selector. Save selector. Then the second thing we need is the phone number. So we are going to click on add new selector. Then write phone number here.
Okay. You're a bit fast. I didn't get this last part.
Hold on. Sorry, let me explain something to them. See what Dose is doing. Dose is selecting this. Let's assume Dose has a format. Phone number first, business name second, website, blah, blah, blah. No, he's trying to work with a format. So the first one he selected was a business name. Do you understand? Now he wants to select phone number. Do you understand? So he's putting it in a format, it will come out after doing all this thing. The same thing we did in our ChatGPT is the kind of what he's trying to do here. He's selecting them one after another. Do you understand? Now he's selecting phone number. Do you understand? So if he puts the phone number here, he goes back into this page he opened and highlights only phone number. Do you understand? If you put the phone number here, you click on select, go back into this page that is open, highlight only phone number and click on done selected. Do you understand?
Yes, but he selected only number. Is it that it will automatically select all?
Yes. He opened a page. If they like, let them be 1 million pages here. So long as he has opened a page and he extracts everything in a page, it would everything as in the first one, it will take everything. It will bring out everything. Don't watch what he's doing. Don't understand. Just watch him.
Okay.
Does it write on?
All right, ma. Thank you, ma. So we write the second one we are taking out is phone number. So you write phone number here. You know, you notice that this one you can give space. It's not like the other one that you can't give space. So you write phone number here. Leave it as a text because it's also a text. It's not a link. So leave it as a text. Then click on select, and then hover over the phone number and click on it. And then click on done selecting. And then save. You see, we have business name here and we have phone number. Then the third one.
So anyone you do, you save. Anyone you do, you save.
Sorry, I want to ask a question.
All right.
When you started with links,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
But when you were doing the selecting, you clicked on multiple. While you were doing the text, you selected. You just click on only select, not multiple. Why?
Why?
You are selecting. You are selecting only one thing now. Why are you doing multiple? He has done multiple when he was entering. The first time he selected multiple was for everything. So now he's picking one. He can't do multiple again because he has done it while entering here.
Okay.
Does it write down?
All right. So the next one we have here is address. address. Some of them, this one is just Houston, Texas. Some of them we have the full address. So what you need to do, add another selector, add new selector, and title it address, and leave it as text also, and then click on select, and then hover over. Make sure it doesn't include this business location. Just make sure it's just the address that is highlighted. So click on the address. You see, when I hovered, it was highlighting everything, both the business location, but I didn't do that. You keep moving it until you get only this address, and then click on it, and then click on done selecting. And you click on save selector. So we have business name, phone number, and address. Then the third one is the website. You want to get their website. Now, click on add new selector. This one is website. And if you look, this one is a link. If you look at this is a link, right? It's highlighted blue. It's a link. If you click on this, it will take you to their website. So you are not, if you do it a text, you will see that it will just copy this visit website and put for you. But you need, just like Equi taught us, that's a placeholder for URL. So this visit website is a place. If they had pasted the website like this, it would be longer than this. So we are not looking for this placeholder. We are looking for what is the main URL. That is why this is a link. So you are going to change this as to link. Change it to link, and then click on select, and then click on this website. You will see that it will bring out the main URL. If this thing was to be pasted here, now let me say the page don't full now. So you just click on this visit website, and then click on C. For this website link, you have to click on C, website and email. You have to click on this C before you click on done selecting. So you click on this C here and click on done selecting, and then you save. So I don't think there is
Sorry. You're getting it right though, but I know some people will be surprised. Why do we have to click on C? You understand? Before we do done selected. When it comes to website and email, website and emails, they are links. Like Jose said, in names, business, we are putting text, but in website and email, we are using links. So you must click on C before you do done selected. Like other ones, you didn't do C before done selected. If you notice, but when you are doing websites and your emails, please make sure you click on C before you do your done selected. Does it write down?
All right. So I tried, like I said, email yesterday and I couldn't, so I just left it. So let me try it again once again. Let's see if it will go.
If there is no email here, you can't get email. If in this thing that we just generated, that there are no emails, you can't force it unless you enter Octopus.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay, yeah.
Yes,
there is email. Okay. There is email, but it cannot highlight. Let's try.
If there is no wahala, if there is none, leave it till we enter Octopus. But if there is, enter.
Okay, you see.
Where is it?
Show
me the email, please.
See the email here.
Where is it?
See it here.
Well, let's see now.
But it's not selecting. I tried it yesterday. It's not. If you hover over, if you click it from today to tomorrow, it's not going to bring out anything.
Let's try it and see.
Try your own now. He's telling you that you cannot enter. You are telling him to try.
As I'm talking to you and clicking it, it's not selecting.
Okay.
So does when we finish, we'll carry it and go to Autopass. We'll carry their website and start it in Autopass so that we can get this information right. It's okay.
Okay.
Move on.
All right, ma.
If you can't get the website, email, don't kill yourself.
All right. So since I can't get the email, I'm not going to save this one because it's going to give me error. I'll just cancel it. So it brings us back to the informations that we already put in place. Now we are done with everything we need. If there's any other thing you are asked to get and is on this, like me yesterday, I looked at this place, there was phone number, and I looked down here, there is another phone number toll free. So what I did is I created another selector and titled it additional phone number. So you can also do the same here. Let's do the same here. So let's create one for the additional phone number. Additional, because I noticed that the two phone numbers on all the pages are different. So that is a text. So all I need to do is leave it as text, then select, and then put it on this and select the phone number here. and click on done selecting and then save selector. So I have business name, phone number, address, website, and additional phone. Now we are done. We are done with the informations we need. We are going to go back to the main page we started from that has those 30 records. Now, if you go back to that main page, you will find out that this is not the only page we have for this information. If you go down, you have page 1, page 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. But you don't need only page 1. You need to get information from page 2. You need to get information from page 3, 4, and 5. So what you need to do, once you are done, you click on these site maps here. Click on these site maps here. It will take you back to this place where we started. This business consultants yellow pages. You click on it to open it. Then you add a new selector on this place where you have these links, not inside the links. On this page where you have only links, you know it's inside the links that we created, email, phone number, name, you know that, right? So now, we are not, if you open this link now, you're adding it here. No, but that's not what we want. We want to add it on the same page where we have these links. So we are going to add new selector here, and then we are going to write this new, we're going to name it pages.
Use pages.
We are going to name it pages. And then it's going to be a link because these are all links. For if you click it, it will take you to the next page. Click it. So we are going to leave it as link here. Then we are going to do multiple because it's not only one page. It's 2, 3, 4, 5. There are a lot of pages here. So you are going to do multiple as well. Then click on select. And then come here, select number 2, select number 3. Once you do that, it will highlight the rest for you. Is that okay? Are we following up to this level?
Yes.
And then once you are done with,
have your bio.
once you are done with that, is there any issue?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Right
Then
on.
once you are done, you click on, once you select the number 2 and number 3, we highlight the rest. You see, even highlighted the arrow, which means any other page that is outside number 5, it will also go there and scrape data for you. So once you are done, you now click on done selecting and then click on save selector. Now we are ready. But there is one more thing that you need to do. This first link that we created that had both the contact details, the business name, you are going to click on this edit button here. This edit button you are seeing here, click on it. It will open it for you. Then go all the way down. You will see parent selectors. Then hold, for some people's laptop is going to be shift. I don't know, but my own laptop is command. I'm using a MacBook. So select the root and select the pages. Make sure both of them are selected. Make sure both of them are selected. Have you done that?
Does it be going? Don't wait for anything.
All right. So once both of them are highlighted, you see this root is highlighted and this pages is highlighted. I'll click on save selector. Now I'm done. Now there is one more step, but I don't know. I think they've removed it. Once you finish doing this, there is one more step. Something here that you are supposed to click that will show you
Is it the graph?
Yes, it's not.
Is it the graph?
Yes.
Is it not showing?
It's not showing. But yesterday when I did it, it exported the data, but I couldn't find that graph.
It can export,
Yeah.
But at least if that one, if we had seen that one, that graph, at least they would have seen the way the format will look like. But since the graph is not showing, go ahead and scrape.
I don't know why. You can even preview. You can preview here to show you what it's going to look like when you export. So
but I prefer that graph.
Yes.
Because the graph will show you everything. But it's okay.
I watched a video that had that graph and it was very nice because it will show you if this linking you did here actually worked.
Yes.
All right. So once you are,
I'm in class.
Please mute yourself. I don't know who's talking. Mute yourself. All right. So once you are done with all these processes I mentioned, you now come to this place where you have sitemap, business consultant, yellow pages. Click on this arrow and then click on scrape. Once you click on this scrape now, it will start taking the data. there was an explanation that was given. So I didn't understand it very well, but it says that most times if you have a free account, that you should leave this at 2,000. This 2,000 that it is here. Because what it means is that the interval it takes, if you don't leave it at this 2,000, if you start scraping through the pages very, very fast, they might block you. So what it means is, this will allow them to scrape through the pages small. It will not be very fast, because once you start scraping page 1, it goes, then page 2, then yellow pages might block you. Or web scrapers, might block you
because you are not
scraping.
paying them.
Yes, because you are not paying them.
You are not paying them.
Yeah.
Yes, if it's a paid version, you have right to extract whatever, anything you want. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So they're giving you limitation. They kind of, please don't go beyond this. Do you understand? So start.
All right. So once you come here, all you need to now do is click on Start Scraping and watch what will happen.
Don't say your money will finish.
Don't worry, ma.
Your money will finish.
It's going to be opening these pages one after the other, going into them and scraping this data out. If you're seeing, you see that I'm not clicking anything. But it's going into the pages one after the other, getting the information. So it will go out of the page, go into the next one, and get the information. So that's what it's going to be doing until it gets all the information. Now, if you want to see how many it has generated so far, you can click on this refresh. You see, it has generated only 3 so far. So let's get to 10, then I will stop it. As it's going, you keep refreshing. If it gets to 10, I will stop it. Okay, we've gotten to 6 now. 6 data. This is 7 now. It's still on number 7.
Sweet.
Even with the parameters you placed, it's still scraping them with speed.
Yes, it is. But it's not in such speed that they will block you. You understand?
Then just stop it so that you can still be using this web scraper. I don't want them to. My own is having issue. Please.
Yeah. Okay.
Stop,
so let me.
We can still be using
I'm going to stop it now. I'm going to stop it. All you need to do is just close this page. Once you close this page, it has stopped.
Because we are going to use your own on Sunday, please.
Yeah. So once we were able to get 14 informations. So now once you get this, you have achieved what you're looking for. So you click on this arrow again. And then export data. Click on export data and then select .csv. So once you do that, it will extract the data for you. If you see that it has saved here. So all I need to do is to open it, and we'll see the work we have done so far.
Nice job, Dozie.
Thank
you,
job.
Thanks a lot, too.
Madam
Okibo.
Yes, I'm here.
What Dozie what it did now, it doesn't require somebody doing it and submitting assignment. So this one, if you do it successfully, now you go happy your happiness.
Of course, now. Now. And if you want to do it, please work with the format given to you. Just like the way we put business name first. Watch your format and work. Anyway, you can still do it anyhow. Go to ChatGPT and arrange it. But I love arranging it inside here. But it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, I don't know if we have any other question.
Okay, just Chine, your hand is up. Your hand has been up.
Does they want kill Henneken for you, yeah?
Thank you, ma.
You come to my house this evening and come and drink Henneken.
Oh, wahala.
I'll drink your own. I'll drink my own on your behalf.
But I'm telling you, your hand is up.
When the guy had cool, supposed to be chilled watermelon, not chilled Henneken. You want to
Does it want in my street? Don't mind them.
I have a question.
All right.
Ask your question.
Okay. What's the sense of generating
Sorry. Before the question, can I stop the recording now?
Can I tell you something? Just stop the recording. Let me tell you something. You say